everybody. I hope you guys are doing well and welcome to Heidi's home. So my husband just left for the gym and I have a very hectic weekend and I know it's only Tuesday, but I feel like I have an overload of things that I want to accomplish today at home, just strictly because we have been busy and I have not had a chance to do some things. Plus my husband and I do have a trip coming up and I have a few extra things that I put on the list that I want to do. One thing that I want to do is I want to pre-treat a makeup bag that I use all the time. I use it all the time. I travel everywhere with it. It is the perfect bag and it holds all my hair stuff. It holds all my makeup, my deodorant, anything that I use on a vacation or if I just slip out of town for the weekend, it's what I take. And I basically live out of it every single day. So every day when I get ready to go somewhere, I always, that's the bag. My deodorant and everything's in it. I do quick makeup like today. I just put a little concealer under my eyes. No big deal because I'm cleaning. And I know a lot of times often we watch other people's YouTube channels and they're cleaning and it just seems like they're wearing all new clothes and their hair's just freshly done. And I am a real life person. I live in a house that was built in 1906. In a small town, and it's a historical town, and well, what can I say? You're probably not going to see perfection here. I also want to wash my makeup brushes today, give them a really good clean. It's been a while, I gotta confess, they're probably pretty nasty. And I probably don't clean them the way that you're really supposed to clean them. I actually just use Dawn liquid soap in warm water. And then I allow them to dry overnight on a towel on my kitchen counter. And then I put them away in my bag. So that may not be the right way to clean makeup brushes, but that's the way I do it. I find that it works out really well for me. Yeah. So I'm rambling now and I'm going to get off here and I'm going to get to work. Okay, I just got my dishes all washed. This looks like a lot, but honestly it is not. It's just big. I got a 9 by 13 and a couple of pizza pans and 2 giant pots down here, and the pots were soaking because I had stuff stuck inside of them, so it was time to get those really good. And so I'm just going to leave this sit. I usually don't either put these away till next morning or while I'm cooking dinner. That way I, you know, save a little bit on time and do this while I'm cooking, and then I can wash, put the next set of dishes up here, because believe you me, it's dishes after dishes around here. And once I get those washed, then I can put those away, and then tomorrow there is no dishes. So it just saves on time if I do it that way. All right, this is my laundry that I did. I usually pile it up here on this chair, and then I fold it tonight while I'm watching TV with my husband. That way, while he's not here, I can go put my time in elsewhere where it really needs to be done. So, you know, cook dinner, put up dishes, watch TV, fold laundry. And then before I go to bed, I put it all away. But my makeup case is all clean. It's stained. You know, it's not going to come out perfectly clean, as you can see here. And it is definitely stained on the inside, but it is all clean. Smells really good. All of my brushes are all clean, so I'm just going to leave them there and let those dry in the air. And I wiped down all of my makeup and kind of went through it early this morning while I was getting ready. And I have it all sitting upstairs so that I can put it back in here, and it's ready to kind of begin anew. So I kind of like all this non-perishable food that I need to get put away. This is what I did my haul on yesterday, and so I need to go put all of this away and put it in my laundry room, and I need to get on it now. All right, I just wiped down my table, got all those groceries put away, so that's good. Those are my drinks right there that I'm drinking currently. But yeah, this is all cleaned off and groceries are put up. Hello everybody. So I'm taking a break. I'm sweating to death. So I wanted to tell you really quickly, the Fabuloso cleaner that I cleaned my trash can out with, I filled in my O-Cedar spraying mop. My house smells fabuloso. I have never used that one before. I actually did not think that, maybe I have used it. It's been around for a long time, but I think I gear towards the different scented ones. But that one there really smells amazing. Like you can tell that you cleaned in here. I just ran the spray mop through downstairs here. Ronnie is due to get home anytime. And I got his clean clothes laid out here on his chair for him. And yes, I have not made it upstairs to clean yet, but I will after supper. Just wanted to stop in here and just tell you that that Fabuloso is worth every penny. My house smells really fresh, really clean. Like if somebody came over today, even though my chair across from me has all my clean laundry in it, it would be okay, because they would know that I have been working on other things. It smells so fantastic. Sorry, guys. I am one of those weird women that gets super excited over cleaning products, and I get super jazzed over, I watch like Instagram reels, and I subscribe to all these people that do these cleaning videos. There's this guy that he's a janitor, and that's what he does for a living. And he shows himself like cleaning upholstery and stuff, and like explains what fabrics you can use an upholstery cleaner on and what you can't. And, you know, it shows him in fast motion, you know, like hyperspeed, doing these chores. But when it's so satisfying to watch, and it makes me want to clean everything in my house. And because, you know, it's so satisfying to have, I don't know, you guys can tell me in the comments down below, but do you like it when you clean a whole room and the last thing you do is vacuum and you walk out and you can look back in and see all those nice carpet lines and your room is nice and clean and you know your bed's fresh? It's a good feeling. I know. I'm probably the most unexciting person in the world that makes me genuinely happy. but it does. It does. I'm going to sit down here. I've got me a seltzer water, a peach pear seltzer water with some ice. I'm going to cool down a little bit. Ronnie should be home soon. I got the coffee pot loaded because he always drinks a cup of coffee when he comes home. And yeah, so we're gonna get this day going. Well, continuing. Hey guys, I am sweating to death. It is so hot in the upper level. I've got our air conditioner going right now, but I'm fixing to go downstairs. But I did want to show you these sheets. I've got my comforter gonna go in the washing machine. So that's why there's no comforter on. But I did want to tell you that the sheets that I bought, very good quality. I'm very happy I washed them. They washed good. But yeah, I don't know if you can see. This is the pillowcase. It's very nice. I'm very happy with them. It's definitely worth $17, as big as this bed is, for a king size sheet set. Very soft. And I think it will last us for a while. So I just wanted to come in and let you know, my bed is really, really thick, and it did fit my thick mattress. So very happy. Just wanted to show you guys. I am very, very happy with the way the sheets came out, and I'm gonna go get something cold to drink. Well, it is time to go to bed. I had a very full day, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just took a hot bath, and I thought that I would throw this in there for you guys that ask me all the time, products that I recommend. I suffer from really bad, like dry skin through here on my face. I really think it's just an age thing. But my son told me about this, and he's kind of a makeup guru and, different lotions and things like that. And so he told me to buy this, which is the CeraVe healing ointment. And I will tell you, it does look like, let me see if I can get this open. I just put it on, so it's like my hands are really greasy. But anyways, it looks like Vaseline. And I know the lighting in here is horrible, but it really does do the trick. And I really, really like it. So you might want to give that a try if you got some major, dry skin, like on your feet or elbows. I know I get it around my nose and this part of my forehead real bad, my chin. And I exfoliated really good with St. Ives apricot scrub tonight, because that's the only thing that gets the dead skin off. And thing of that, apricot scrub will last me like 6 months. So really, even if you pay $6 for it or whatever it costs, it pays for itself. So I highly suggest that if you guys have the same problems I do. But I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get a lot of sleep. We've got the air conditioner on. It is hot tonight. I got my fan on over here blowing on me, and I am just probably gonna fall out and snore for long. But I will be catching you guys again. I hope you guys have a lovely weekend, and hopefully I will film Sunday. I am having my second booster shot tomorrow, but I'm hoping that I will pick up the camera and I will have something for you guys on Monday. So have a great weekend, and I will talk to you all again soon. Bye, guys.